because you're very sweet.
Say what?
Selalu cintaku dengan campur rasa. Saya sayang kau dengan hati yang biasa. Saya sayang kau.
What's your name?
Faye?
Faith?
Yeah. F-A-Y. Mention how many continents in the world?
How many continents?
Yeah.
Isn't there 7?
Oh.
North America,
Yeah.
South America.
Africa,
Africa is 1. Asia, that's 4.
Europe,
Europe. I was gonna say Australia, but I forget it. Hold on.
Australia.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ah,
Is that
yes, Australia. Damn, you're so smart.
Yeah, so
What's the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
What about the longest river?
The longest.
Is it the Amazon River?
Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you. Are you adding me or not?
You got Instagram?
You don't have Snapchat?
I deleted it.
How could you, like, you're American but you don't have Snapchat?
Because I'm not like other American people. I told you this, I'm different.
Oh, pygmy boy.
No, hell no.
You know the sign of a pygmy girl is like, I'm not the same like American girl, or like I'm not the same with the rest of the girl here, because like I'm not wearing a powder, I'm not wearing makeup.
I mean, look, that's them. I'm different. I'm not them.
You're different, but you're not black. You're brown.
Right.
We're the same. See that?
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, hold on. Are you mixed?
Yeah. No. I am 100% white.
I'm not tired. You're not tired?
No.
Because you've been running through my head all the time.
Itulah yang saat ini ku rasakan. Dia membuat tidurku tak nyenyak.
Do you have pencil?
What?
Do you have pencil?
No, pencil. I have a message here.
What's up?
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm pretty good. How's your day going?
I think it's going great so far. How about yours?
What? Where you stay at?
My country.
Oh, I was saying like I live in South Carolina.
Oh, okay. Is it in the United States?
Yep.
So cute.
Yep.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21. How old are you?
Same age.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, 2001.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. I knew it. Do you know Sugar?
Sugar?
Yeah.
Nah. Is he a YouTuber?
It's Sugar. It's Sugar.
Oh, Huger.
Sugar.
Oh, Sugar.
You don't know? Well, that's you, because you're very sweet.
Say what?
Saya selalu cintaku dengan campur rasa. Saya sayang kau dengan hati yang biasa. Saya sayang kau.
Holy shit.
Oh, yeah.
What in the world? Oh, I'm blushing like a
You're blushing.
What in the world? I did not expect that. What in the world?
For real though, like, you're very sweet.
I'm about to
What's
say
your goal? But hold on, what's your goal in your life?
goal?
Do you have goals?
Yeah, I got a few goals. So one of my goals is
Tell me one goal in your life.
music.
Music, okay. Okay, my
Music is
goal.
one of my biggest inspirations.
Oh, okay, so you make music.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's your goal, right? But for my goal is I want to leave enough.
So you want to leave where you're at right now?
No, I want to leave enough Enough looking at your smile.
Senyum sayang, biar aku semangat berjuang.
Look.
Right? You're
I'm so speechless. Like, what type of music you like?
random music. Cause if the music really good to my ear, I would listen to it. But yeah,
So
it doesn't matter.
it's all about like melodies.
Yeah, the melody. Like it doesn't matter like it's
I feel
hip
you.
hop or anything or something like that. Like, do you know what's gonna be my favorite music later?
Who?
Your
What?
voice.
Triple kill!
Listen.
Can you page your heart for me?
Look, for you I will.
Oh, really?
Only look, my heart's only for you.
Dan kau hadir.
I'm being so serious. Like, my heart is only for you. Like, that's crazy how I just met you. Like, it might really be love at first sight for real.
Oh, really?
Yes. I love, you know what I love your eyebrows. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah, they're
I mean-
cute.
Thank you.
Kampung Inggris WE